Have you ever wondered how you could convert your ebook into a Mobi? I'm giving you my best tip using Draft2Digital. Hi and welcome to my channel. I'm Estelle van der Velde, the author of a travel memoir called The Londoners, which you can see right here. I usually talk about everything writing and self-publishing on my channel, so subscribe if you feel like it. It drives self-published authors crazy. Imagine you've spent hours formatting your ebook, you upload it on KDP, and still the final ebook your reader receives on their Kindle is badly formatted. Well, fear no more. Amazon stated that they would stop supporting Mobi file when publishing new or updating previously published reflowable ebooks after August 1st, 2021. Wait, why do I make a video on how to create a Mobi file then? Well, let me tell you that it's still used elsewhere and it's still useful. Your beta readers might need a Mobi file, or your street team, a giveaway winner, a potential reader might need a Mobi file when downloading a sample or a lead magnet. So you still need Mobi files. And here's how you can do it using Draft2Digital. Just a small disclaimer, I am not sponsored by Draft2Digital. I'm just a regular user publishing widely with the platform. End of disclaimer. Let's just say that you formatted your ebook with a simple Word document. Go onto Draft2Digital and click on Add a new book. For this example, I will simply show you how it's done with my own book, The Londoners. When entering your ebook details, you'll have to upload your file. Draft2Digital supports doc, docx, RTF, and formatted epubs. You'll then be able to download a Mobi file in the third step when previewing your ebook. Just click on the Download Mobi button and you have it. Just note that you can also download a formatted EPUB and PDF. There are many ways to create a Mobi file, but I find this one is the easiest. All you need to do is create an account on Draft2Digital. You don't even have to publish your book through the platform. I hope this video was helpful. Let me know in the comments if you'd like me to show you how I format my own ebook using Word. Anyway, like and subscribe if you liked this content, and I will see you next week for another video. Bye!